Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Ant Farms is probably one of the most fascinating and educational toys you can get for your kids. It allows them to observe a thriving ant colony up close, fostering a love for nature and science, all while providing hours of captivating entertainment and a unique learning experience unlike any other. Number 5. NAVAdeal Ant Farm Castle 2.0. It's an award-winning ant farm. This innovative kit was recognized for its contribution to STEM education, making learning fun and engaging for kids. This ant farm is a fantastic screen-free activity. It's perfect for kids, parents, and teachers, providing hours of educational entertainment and bonding time. Watch in amazement as ants build tunnels, transport food, and create a complex society. It's a captivating way to learn about insect behavior and ecology. The habitat uses a plant-based, blue gel, safe for ants to live in and eat. It's pre-filled and includes various areas for the ants to thrive. The kit includes the ant farm, connecting tubes, a magnifier, and more. Remember, you'll need to purchase ants separately from a trusted source. What we like. It's an award-winning ant farm with a unique plant-based blue gel and connecting tubes for expansion. If you're looking for a high-quality, safe, and engaging ant farm, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids interested in STEM and observing ant behavior in a safe, aesthetically pleasing environment. What people say. This ant farm is awesome, functions well, and it's fun to watch the ants. The ants have made 8 tunnels in 2 days. I'm hoping one of my eggs is a queen, and they will reproduce. Pro. It has a complicated layout which is fun for ants and comes with whole tool set to watch, observe, and sustain. Number 4. Ant Farm Terrarium Kit. Watch ants create amazing tunnels in this unique, glowing gel. It's a fascinating and educational experience for kids and adults alike. See the ants build their complex underground world. The special gel is not only visually stunning but also encourages deeper digging. Discover amazing ant facts. This comprehensive guide is packed with information about these incredible insects and their fascinating behaviors. It's a perfect STEM project for individual or group learning. This kit makes science fun and engaging for all ages. The included battery is USB rechargeable, making it convenient and eco-friendly. Simply plug it in and let it charge. Give the gift of wonder and learning. This ant farm is a captivating and educational experience that sparks curiosity and a love for science. What we like. This ant farm features a glowing gel, LED lights, and a comprehensive learning book. If you want a visually exciting and educational experience, this is an excellent choice. The glowing gel and lights add an extra layer of fun and engagement, making it a great gift for curious kids. Number 3. GeoSafari Ant Factory. Have you ever wanted to get a closer look at an ant colony? Now you can with the GeoSafari Ant Factory. It's a safe and easy way to observe these amazing creatures. Watch as they build tunnels and chambers. It's like having your own little ant world right on your desk. It's fascinating. It's more than just fun, it's an educational experience. It introduces basic ecological concepts in an engaging way. Setting it up is a snap. The kit includes everything you need, except the ants, of course. A handy guidebook makes it simple. No need to worry about ants escaping. It's designed to be completely escape-proof, so you can observe them safely. You can even order ants directly through the included certificate. A small fee covers shipping, handling, and insurance. With its 24-page guidebook, you'll learn all about ant care and colony observation. It's a great way to learn about responsibility. It's the perfect size for any desk or tabletop. At 9 inches high and 15 inches wide, it's easy to observe and fits perfectly in any space. What we like. It's an escape-proof ant habitat with an educational guide and all the necessary tools. If you prioritize ease of use and a complete learning experience, this is a great option. The starter kit includes everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners. What people say. The habitat is well made and sturdy, and I have had no problems with escapes or stings. This ant farm is well designed and much easier to use than many others on the market. Instructions for pre-filling the farm with soil and moisture are included and easy to follow. It is easy to drop ants and pupae into the top section and then sit back and watch the ants excavate their tunnels and create their new home over the following weeks. When filling the farm with sand, you want to make sure you fill it as full as possible, because when you add the water, it'll compact the sand and leave more space at the top. Number 2. NAVadeal Sand Ant Farm. Watch ants create their amazing underground world. This ant farm provides ample space and connecting tubes for a thriving colony. It's a fascinating ecosystem to observe. The clever design makes adding food and water easy. See how excited they get when they discover a new meal. You can even refill it with sand to watch them build new tunnels. Inside, you'll find everything you need: the ant farm, sand, connecting tubes, a magnifying glass, and more. It's ready for your ant colony to move in. Remember, ants aren't included. We recommend harvester or carpenter ants, about 1/4 inch long. Order them from a reputable source, and make sure they arrive safely. It's more than just a toy, it's a science kit. Learn about ant behavior, ecosystems, and the fascinating world of insects. Enjoy hours of educational entertainment. What we like. This ant farm offers a classic sand habitat with connecting tubes and an easy feeding system. If you prefer a traditional ant farm experience with added convenience, this is a good choice. The connecting tubes and easy feeding system make it simple to care for your ant colony. What people say. It was unbelievably easy to assemble and took me less than 5 minutes to completely build it. This ant farm is easy to put together on day 2. The ants are making tunnels. They love tunneling in the sand way better than the gel. The ants are still digging in the gel, but a majority of them have tunneled into the sand within 24 hours. Number 1. Ant Farming Castle Kit. Watch in amazement as your ants build tunnels and navigate their habitat. It's a captivating window into their fascinating world. It features a child lock to prevent little ones from opening it and ants from escaping. The sturdy acrylic construction ensures durability. This ant farm includes an automatic watering system, so you don't have to constantly refill it. A flood outlet prevents overwatering. It's a perfect science experiment for kids and adults alike. It sparks curiosity and fosters a love of science. The kit comes complete with everything you need: sand, tools, and even a magnifying glass. Ants are not included, so remember to get some. It measures 9.37 inches x 5.67 inches x 1.7 inches, a perfect size for observation and easy setup. What we like. It boasts an automatic watering system, a child lock, and durable construction. If safety and convenience are your top priorities, this ant farm is a great choice. The automatic watering system and child lock features make it a worry-free option for parents. What people say. It has the ant castle with clear acrylic sides so you can watch the ants to your heart's content, white sand, a test tube for water so they can hydrate, and tools to help you care for the ant farm and keep it clean: tweezers, little palm tree for decoration, water squeeze bottle to keep sand moist, pipette to also give spot treatments of water. The interior seems 3D, printed out of EVA plastic, and the sides and top are made of thick clear acrylic. The whole thing is held together with machine screws and bolts. The water tube has a blue swab that keeps the water in but allows the water to wick into a white ceramic swab that the ants can access securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.